Costs can change over time. That's why Thrive Inventory assigns a cost to each batch of inventory that comes in. We refer to these as lot costs. Most POS systems do not track costs by lot, so these systems provide inaccurate historical reporting when your costs change. To manage costs efficiently, pay attention to your product's default costs and lot costs. The default cost is your fallback. This is the cost Thrive Inventory assumes you will pay for your product whenever you receive a new shipment unless told otherwise. You'll see this value in gray on the main inventory page. You can edit default costs from the Edit Product page or an Edit Variance bulk upload sheet. Receiving inventory at a dollar amount different from your default costs will not automatically change the default itself. Historical default costs are not tracked, since you can see what you actually paid in your lot cost history. When you go to receive inventory, we'll suggest the default cost. If you are getting the products for a different cost though, you can enter in that cost and it will be reflected on the lot cost. A lot of inventory is a group of units that arrived in a given shipment. For instance, if I add 12 units to one of my products, I have added a lot that contains 12 units. The lot cost is the cost per unit applied to a given lot. Thrive Inventory assumes you sell inventory on a first in, first out basis, so your oldest available lot is always sold first. Lot costs are applied when receiving inventory. The default cost will be used or suggested if one is available. If no default cost has been set and you don't enter a value, the lot cost will be shown as not set. A product with a quantity in stock and no quantity history cannot have a lot cost, since by definition there is no lot to which a cost can be applied. These products will say not set even if a default cost is in place. Simply add a quantity and you'll see the lot cost appear. To edit lot costs, click on the blue cost or not set from the main inventory page. Use the edit button in the top right corner to make changes. Simply type over any cost to change it. Lot costs are used to accurately calculate the value and profitability of your inventory on hand, calculate the profit for each sale, and calculate profit margins for each variant. For more information, tutorials, and step-by-step guides, visit the help documents linked below. If you need additional assistance, contact our customer care team by using the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of our website.